Was that
No. What's up, guys? All right, today, we're going to IKEA. Like, who doesn't like going to IKEA? Have you guys? But today, that'll be fine. I want to get a desk. I want to get the electric one, the one that goes like. I want to get one of those. It's gonna be freaking lit. Oh my god, dude! I don't know who else gets excited going to IKEA, but I do. But yeah, we're gonna go to IKEA right now. First, we're gonna meet up with one of my friends, Ernesto, and maybe his girlfriend, maybe, I don't know. But we're gonna go meet up right now. I'm gonna pick him up, and then we're gonna go to IKEA. Hopefully, get the table. But yeah, all right, guys. I'll see you guys on the way there to IKEA. All right. Woo! What's up, guys? All right, so we made it to IKEA. Look at it right there. All right, let me introduce you to my friend Ernesto. Look, we got the boy Ernesto. Ooh, my boy.
What's up?
My boy. All right, so we came to IKEA because, well, you gotta buy a storage, huh?
Yeah, I gotta get a storage bit.
Yeah, and then I'm getting my freaking fancy ass desk, the one with the little button that goes up and down. So like if I want to be bougie, you know, go up, you know, stand up. Oh, I know I do my little. But yeah, look, IKEA. Oh, I'm so excited. It's gonna cost me a fucking arm and leg, but hey, better be worth it. Alright, now we're gonna go inside. Hopefully the audio is not getting too like probably it's super windy. But I'm gonna get you guys inside. What's up, guys? Alright, so I got the table from IKEA. Woo! Oh my god. Alright, guys, so now I'm actually gonna build it now. So I'm gonna do the whole video, little time lapse will be like moving all this. But yeah, woo, it's gonna be fun. They see how long it takes me, guys. Alright, hope you guys enjoy the whole time lapse, and yeah. Woo! So like, my camera died. I was like, shoot. But guys, I finished the desk, and it looks amazing. Like, look, let me show you guys. What? Bam! Look at this. By the way, ignore the cables, please. Just look at it like this, please, guys, because I need to get some cables. But guys, it's amazing. Like, the desk is, oh my god. There's so much space, guys. There's so much space. And look. Look. But, dude, guys, there you go. But then guys, ooh, that's the end of that video. Thank you guys so much for watching. That was my trip to IKEA to get a desk. Oh my god, my hair. But yeah, if you guys really like that, go ahead guys, drop a comment, drop a like, subscribe and all that guys. But yeah, I'll be bringing more content like this, you guys. Either, you know, just like different vlogs like that for you guys. But yeah, alright guys, Josh signing out, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.